Alright, let's get ready together. Today, I'm diving into an early spring makeup look inspired by the dreamy colors of the Aurora. Think soft pastels, a hint of shimmer, and that magical, fresh glow. If you're craving a subtle transformation that still feels playful, you're in the right place. First up, I start with a lightweight, luminous primer. I want my skin to look like it's lit from within, so I just press that in with my fingertips. No brushes needed. It instantly gives me that dewy, I just woke up like this base. Now for foundation, I'm keeping it really light, just a sheer layer buffed in with a damp sponge. The goal isn't flawless coverage, but to even everything out and let those freckles peek through. Next, a touch of creamy concealer under the eyes and around my nose. Only where I need it. Remember, less is more. For cheeks, I reach for a lilac cream blush. Yes, lilac! Hear me out. It looks intimidating, but on the skin, it melts into this soft, ethereal flush, almost like you've just come in from the cool spring air. I pat it onto the apples of my cheeks and blend upwards. Let's light up the eyes. For that Aurora feel, I pick a pastel green and sweep it all over my lids. Then I take a wash of icy blue and blend it into the outer corners, just to add a bit of dimension. Here's where the magic happens, a shimmer shadow, right in the center, tapped on with my finger. Instantly, it catches the light and makes your eyes pop. I skip harsh liners, and instead use a soft lavender pencil along my lower lash line. It's subtle, but trust me, it wakes up the whole face. Quick curl of the lashes, swipe on some lengthening mascara, and I'm feeling bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Brows are just brushed up, set with a clear gel, nothing too structured. I want them to look airy and natural, like they're catching the spring breeze. For lips, I dab on a tinted balm in a soft coral shade. It's juicy, light, and perfect for every day. To finish, I mist my face with a glow-boosting setting spray. Think dewy, not sweaty. And that's it. An Aurora-inspired early spring look that's light, luminous, and totally wearable. If you give it a go, let me know how it turns out. I love seeing your take on these looks. Remember, makeup should feel like fun, not a chore. So play with color, embrace the glow, and enjoy every brushstroke. Until next time, stay magical.